You've seen the new Traxxas Slash Mudboss. What you may not have seen is that new front end, new A-arm, that new knuckle, that new caster block. This video is about that new caster block. I'm going to see if it fits the old A-arm and the old knuckle. If you follow that new part number to the Traxxas website, you'll see that it's also going to be in the new Rustler, the new Stampede, and it may have already been in a couple of other models. If you own or are interested in owning a Traxxas two-wheel drive vehicle, this will matter to you because the kingpin in that caster block is truly the Achilles heel of the Traxxas two-wheel drive platform. For 30 years, people around the world have been bending kingpins in that caster block. I've just replaced mine, and after a couple packs, they've bent. My crashes weren't even that bad.
Let's get these installed. Hopefully. Put the caster block here. Oh, there we go. L for left. Alright, we'll start with the left side. I got some kind of hinge pin here. I don't know if this is the new kingpin. Actually, yeah, looks like it's probably the new kingpin. Yeah, okay. Counting on you, buddy. Not to bend. And then this is probably to mount the Kimberlink. Got a video on cheap turnbuckles. Cheap titanium turnbuckles, if you're interested. Check out my channel. Okay, let's get this installed. Let's get this wheel off. It's a little subtle, but you can see my kingpin is definitely bent. It's not straight here, and I actually just replaced this like a couple weeks ago. It's only been through maybe 3 battery packs since it bent again. Watch me faff about on my channel. Everything so faffs about. Let me take that all the way off. Alright, I've got to pop off these E-clips. Before you say anything, I know there's continuity. I did the other E-clip removal off camera. I just replaced these kingpins. Look at that. Didn't even really have any big crashes. Alright, and there's the original caster block, C-hub, whatever. So you can see it's cracked. Not broken. I have no idea how long this thing was cracked. And there's a new one. Moment of truth. Please, please, please. Although I think this pin might not be long enough. I'll have to go in through the back. This new pin. Oh, it is. It's long enough. Because I don't think the original. Well, almost actually. I think I can just use the original hinge pin actually. Time to consult the exploded view again. Oh yeah. Looks like the hinge pin comes in from the rear and the kingpin is the identical part, 3640. And I believe this is just that, yeah, pin set. So I just happen to have an extra pin set right here. It's not 3640 and I'm hoping that's just the Phillips. The hex head distinction. I didn't realize these were kingpins. Is it the exact same part? Just the head, maybe? Yeah, looks like. Ah, okay. So now this arm needs to be as long as the kingpin, which actually is brilliant. It can be the same part. Instead of stocking kingpin and hinge pin separately, they can be the same part. Brilliant. And looks like this is gonna be backwards compatible. Thank you, Traxxas. Alright, let's try this out then. Let's screw it in from the rear this time. Let's put this. Oh, the Phillips head. No, I don't like this. Alright, forgot to check the hub carrier. Oh, it's binding slightly. It's still binding slightly. Maybe so slightly. Okay, let's see if these original 5x8mm bearing axle holder, yeah, fits. Let's see if we can get the pin through it. There we go. Yep, 2mm. That is a satisfying bottom out. Okay. And yeah. There's the new kingpin. Wow. Yeah, backwards compatible with the 24-year-old 5x8 bearing carrier. There we go. Look at that. It's backwards compatible. Thank you, Traxxas. Alright, time to put it to the test. This is the first outdoor test with the new caster blocks. I'm gonna do some testing for science and for views. I'm a little worried that removing the caster block as the weak link will expose some other weak link, i.e. I break a bulkhead or the front arms finally. So let's see. Here we go, I'll just do a couple of these. Oh, I think we shouldn't get it head on. There we go. It's kind of hard to drive one-handed. There we go. Oh, I missed it. They look all right. Can't tell until I take it apart. They look okay. Circle's okay. It looks all right. I pull out that kingpin just to be sure. Oh, that came out so easy. Yep, there you have it. 100% intact and straight.